going on, everybody? Welcome back, if so, to another market update video here at Benefit Central. I'm Benjamin, and today Bitcoin in the S&P charts. But before I get right into the market, please leave a like, drop a comment, and if you could subscribe, I'd greatly appreciate it. Everybody, Bitcoin, the S&P, Ethereum, XRP, the market is going crazy since we got reports on that we're in a recession, but it came back a little bit less, so everything seems to be doing fine. Biden, it realistically depends on what news and what channel you heard. Some people were saying we're not in a recession. Some were saying we're in a recession. I believe we're in a recession. It's just a very unique recession that we're in, according to the times that we're now entering. But as of right now, based off of what has happened, we've rallied up. And the S&P has finally broken past its 4,000 level. Putting this right here for you guys. But other than that, we did just pass our 4,000 level, breaking it now at 4,100. As long as we can continue this bullish momentum, I don't see why we would stop. We aren't overbought, just almost. But we should see more bullish momentum at least to the top of our consolidation, of the last consolidation, which is around 4,200. So looking for prices around there. I would take profits around there just because of the 200 indicator that is going to be kicking in, and would push us back down just to get a bit of retracement to continue markets up. However, we are getting this bullish cross right here on the indicators for the daily. Everything is looking great. We did come back down, tested that, and then pushed through. Everything's moving very well, honestly, for the S&P for the past few days. Jumping into the weekly, you can see we had an RBI, and then that RBI finished now, and hopefully this week closing where that red indicator is. But other than that, we are going to jump into Bitcoin now just to see how that's influenced it. And as you can see, our new weekly did continue that RBI that we did start. However, looking into the daily, you can tell that we did jump up a bit above our 24,000 level, now around 24,200, which is where I have my next. Oh no, we beat that already. I should move that up. Should have our next wick around the top, around 24,500 realistically. Just that's what we need to beat now, just because we ended up passing our last wick. And so for us to continue to 25,000 and above, we would need to break 24,500 and get a close above that, which I don't really think. I wouldn't hesitate on going long, just because we did get our bullish cross right here, and the S&P is continuing up as well as Ethereum. So jumping into Ethereum, Bitcoin is doing well so far. We finally closed above our 24,000 levels, which is what we wanted. And then now diving into Ethereum, you can tell that we jumped all the way past our 1,700 level after testing it. We came back, jumped right through it into our 1,750, almost our 1,800 price level. We saw prices around 1,780. But as of right now, I'm just waiting to get back into this, see what's going on. We could get an RBI for the daily and then continue upward. However, it's really just up to today. Today it's around 11-ish, 12-ish. So we should have a few more hours for this daily. So realistically, anything could happen for this daily. It can stay a doji, or we can continue to push upward right now and then close above 1,800 for our daily. But for Ethereum, we did get our bullish cross. Like I said, our 200 indicator is approaching as well. So I would just be cautious on that at around 2,300. But looking in on the weekly real quick for Ethereum, just to show you guys, we did get that RBI or acorn, and then finally that bull 180 after 2 candles pushing past it. Now we're finally approaching our 1,800 level. Possible rejection just around our indicators. If we can pass our 1,800 level, it will be around 2,100, just because of our red indicator that would push that back down. Probably test support around 1,800 to continue bullish. As of right now, markets don't seem too bearish, honestly. Based off the news that came out, everybody seems like they're ready for this market to move. So you can't miss. Don't scared money doesn't make money. So don't sit on the sidelines too long for right now, and anticipate that the bear market is going to still continue. We still technically are in our downtrend. However, the way the markets have just recently moved, I would just be extra cautious on placing trades and of trying to short anything right now. A lot of liquidation. I believe it was I forgot. I think it was 400 million that was liquidated. It could be more than that. It was a rough number that I had saw last night, but something like that, around the numbers of $400 million were liquidated in shorts on Bitcoin or Ethereum just alone. So I couldn't tell you how much was liquidated for everything, but in the crypto market. But as of right now, bulls are trying to come back into play. As long as we can close above all of our not our necklines but our resistances, then we should be good. But speaking of necklines, XRP did break above theirs finally. Let's go to the hourly just to show you guys. Not the hourly, my bad. Daily just to show you guys. Finally, that's where our neckline was. We finally just broke above it. We could be placing in a trade, but like I said, I'm going to be conservative as possible just because of the way the markets are moving and how volatile they are. But as of right now, it would be a good time to put into a trade, and you would anticipate that we are going to move back up into our 40 cent area. We're breaking into this support right here around the 37, which I told you guys in the last videos a few days ago, and that we should be seeing our ranges around 40 to 45 cents now. That's just the last range that we had, and that's the last consolidation we had before we dropped, and we're now breaking into that zone, so we should see some higher prices for XRP. I will be jumping into a trade here soon for XRP. I'm realistically just trying to see where this daily closes. If we close below 37 cents, that is going to be a little concerning for me, because we could get another daily open, and that could wick down as well. You don't want to get wicked down or closed out or stopped out in movement right now. I did take a stop out, but I stopped out in profit. Always move your stop loss into profits, and always move it up as the trade is continuing. However, everything else right now, I was going to say XRP, but Doge and Shiba, we can go ahead and take a look at them just because they're on our list right now, but they are continuing to go up as well with the markets. Doge looking a little interesting on the daily there. However, Shiba is looking promising. A lot of hype around this, looking a bit like XRP with this triple bottom and close above the neckline. Just a tad shy right there, but it is right there. But as of right now, let's jump back into the Bitcoin charts, show you guys what I'm anticipating fully for this next week. We did get our bull 180 confirmed. We didn't get a close above our 200 indicator, but however, we are getting our close now. Excuse me. We are getting our close now above our 200 indicator, reaching prices around, like I said, 24,000, 24,500. It just really depends on where we close. Today is Friday. We do have Saturday and Sunday. Sunday closing the weekly at around 5 to 6, opening a new weekly and seeing where we will push to. So we do have a few more days just to see the weekend, just to see how well we close. I do anticipate that we will end up bullish with just everything is pushing the markets up as of right now. But you do just want to make sure that you do get a confirmation of a close in any area that you are anticipating to jump into. But as of right now, everybody, that was just another quick market update video for you guys, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Ciao.